Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a live swatch video for you on these MoonShine Mani Halloween nail polishes. Happy Halloween to all of you who celebrate, and today I have my very last video in my Halloween party series. In the month of October I kind of focus on Halloween themed videos, and today is the very last one in this series. I'm kind of sad. It means that October is technically over and this month went by really quickly, but I really do hope you enjoyed this series, and if you did, then please make sure that you also give me a thumbs up on this video. That way I know that you want me to continue with them next year with the pace that the time is passing by will be tomorrow. Anyways, for my very last video, I decided to bring you some live swatches of the MoonShine Mani Halloween nail polishes. She decided to bankrupt me besides Maniology because her polishes are on spot, and she didn't come out with one Halloween collection but two. Unfortunately, I only have one of them, and besides the collection itself, she also came out with an extra. One of them is a dupe for China Glaze's Zombie Zest, and the other one was a Facebook exclusive through the MoonShine Mani Facebook group. I will have 9 nail polishes today to swatch for you. I hope I'm not gonna run out of time because I was postponing this review for a while, and I just thought that because her polishes usually are wearable throughout the year, it will be okay to leave the swatches of her collection at the end. As I said, she has 2 Halloween collections. The other one is glitters only. I do not own that one, but I will leave a link for you in the description box where you can get all of these nail polishes in case if you are interested. And again, then they are Halloween releases, but they are not necessarily Halloweenish. So I do believe you can wear this throughout the year. Alright, so now I will jump into the swatches. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them for me in the comment section, and I will just jump into it, so stay tuned, and then I will come back and kind of share with you my favorites from the collections. So guys, what are your thoughts on these Halloween nail polishes from MoonShine Mani? As I said, I decided to swatch them at the very end because I don't think they are necessarily only Halloween appropriate. I think you can wear them all year round, or if you are a seasonal wearer, then these are more like fall into winter nail polishes. I am sure you can still enjoy them in case if you like the swatches of them. My absolute favorite is Roses Are Red, Zombies Are Green. That's actually a dupe for China Glaze's Zombie Zest. Lucky for you guys, I do have that nail polish, so definitely be kind of prepared for a possible dupes video. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing that, and I will make sure that I film it for you. My other favorite was Colonel Mustard. That's this mustardy yellow. I absolutely love it. It's one of those ugly pretty colors that I can wear all year round, and all of these polishes are really beautiful. My least favorite was probably Booyah, only because of the amount of glitter that is in the polish, so it's quite difficult to work with it, but I love the look of this polish, so I think if you can find it in a stash sale, definitely purchase it. I think you will really enjoy it. This one is no longer available. It was a Facebook group limited edition polish for Mrs. White. That's this pale white polish here. That was the only 3-coater. You could probably do only 2. It really depends on your preference, but that was the only polish that I decided to apply a 3rd coat because I felt that I could see my nail line, and not everybody likes that look, so it depends on your preference. For this polish, I really wanted to cover up as much nail line as possible because it's so white and delicate. Let me know in the comment section which of these polishes was your favorite. Did you purchase any of these polishes already, or are you thinking about maybe getting some of them? All of these are still available except for Booyah, as I mentioned. I would highly recommend you. I have been Phoebe's fan for a long time, and so far 99% of her nail polishes were almost perfection. So anyways, Let me know your thoughts. I will link for you everything in the description box. And again, thank you guys so much for being here throughout October. I really do hope that you liked my Halloween party series, and I will be definitely bringing them back next year. Alright, so that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.